like, I felt like his love for one of the first times in my life when I was 17 years old, about to graduate high school. And I said, you know what? I'm sorry, I'm being selfish, but I can't do it. I don't want to do it. And he says, you're not going to find happiness like that. And I said, Lord, I'm sorry. Like, I told him I'm sorry like 50 times. I'm like, I cannot do this anymore. That is not who I am. That is not what I want. And then after like the night kept passing by, and then they started playing like this song that is like, I really felt God speaking to me. And then I was like, okay, if you want me to stay, if you want me to be in your way, then send me some help. Do something in my life. Give me something. Give me some strength, because I can't. You see how what I'm going through. You see the attacks at school, how all my friends want me to do these things, and I want to do them. Can you do something, please? And then I went home and I forgot about it, blah, blah, blah. And then the God brought me here to work in this youth group, and I did a Life in the Spirit seminar. And working with the youth group has been, something that has completely changed my life, because it's like after I did my seminar and I was baptized in the Holy Spirit, I felt, more like the attacks have not gone away, but now I feel like I have that strength with the Holy Spirit. I have that strength in the Holy Spirit, and that's what we want you guys to get out of here. None of the kids that you see here, none of us are perfect. None of us are saying, oh my God, yeah, if you follow God, then nothing bad is ever going to happen to you. No, bad stuff is, sometimes bad things happen regardless, but God, He loves us so much that He sets us free. He sets us free, and we can't live in that Hakuna Matata. We can't live in that Hakuna Matata, because we are sons of a king. We have to remember who we are. We have to remember who we are. And I'm going to show you guys a clip really quick from the same movie. After Simba had been living that life that we are called to live, that no worries, none of that, all of that stuff, he lived that for many years. His father came and, is the projector in order? Okay. So his father comes back, and then let's see what he has to tell him.
She's wrong. I can't go back. What would it prove anyway? Won't change anything. You can't change the past. You said you'd always be there for me. But you're not. It's because of me. It's my fault. It's my fault. You stop following me? Who are you?
The question is, who are you?
I thought I knew. Now I'm not so sure.
Well, I know who you are. Come here. It's a secret. That's what
Not already. What's that supposed to mean anyway?
it means. You're a baboon. And I'm not.
I think you're a little confused.
Wrong. I'm not the one who's confused. You don't even know who you are.
Oh, and I suppose you know.
Sure do. You're Mufasa's boy. Hi.
Hey, wait! You know my father?
Correction. I know your father.
I hate to tell you this, but he died a long time ago.
No. Brian! He's alive. I'm gonna shove him to you. You follow graffiti. He knows the way. Come on.